Finding Rakuten cashback stores is a straightforward process that can help you earn money back on your online purchases. To get started, you need to have a Rakuten account, which you can create for free on their website. Once you have an account, follow these steps to find cashback stores. First, log into your Rakuten account and navigate to the home page. On the top navigation bar, you will see a search bar where you can type in the name of your favorite store or browse through the various categories. Rakuten has partnered with thousands of stores, including popular retailers like Walmart, Macy's, and Sephora. To find cashback stores, you can browse by category, such as clothing, electronics, or home goods. Simply click on a category and you will see a list of participating stores along with the cashback percentage you can earn. For example, if you click on the clothing category, you may see stores like Nordstrom, Gap, and Old Navy, each offering a different cashback percentage. You can also use the search bar to find a specific store. Type in the name of the store and Rakuten will show you the cashback percentage and any available coupons or promo codes. Make sure to check the cashback percentage before making a purchase, as it may vary depending on the store and the items you buy. In addition to browsing by category or searching for a specific store, you can also use Rakuten's browser extension to find cashback stores. The browser extension will alert you when you visit a participating store and provide you with a notification about the available cashback percentage. Another way to find cashback stores is to check Rakuten's weekly deals and promotions. Rakuten often features special deals and increased cashback percentages for certain stores, so it's worth checking their website regularly to stay up to date. To maximize your cashback earnings, make sure to always log in to your Rakuten account before making a purchase and click through to the store from the Rakuten website. This will ensure that your purchase is tracked and you receive the cashback percentage you're eligible for. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by Rakuten, you can easily find cashback stores and start earning money back on your online purchases. Remember to always check the cashback percentage and available coupons or promo codes before making a purchase to maximize your savings.